In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to play League of Legends on the Xbox Series S and whether or not it is possible to do this. To answer this question and see if we somehow can play League of Legends on the Xbox Series S natively, what we can try to do is visit the official League of Legends website. So by going over to leagueoflegends.com, we can create a Riot account and download the launcher for the game. So in here, you can browse through various options. You can see the champions, you can see news about the game, patch notes, you can go into the community tab. There's a lot of stuff to explore. Of course, the main focus of the website is to download the launcher for League of Legends. And if we go over to the download page, we can notice that we can download League of Legends for Windows, and then we can download the Mac installer. Now, of course, both of these options will not help us if we are trying to play on the Xbox Series S. So as of today, is it completely impossible to access League of Legends on an Xbox Series S, or do we have to do this process through the Microsoft or Xbox Store? Well, the answer to the question in the title of this video is that as of today, unfortunately, League of Legends or any other Riot title are not available on the Xbox Series S and X consoles. In fact, League of Legends is only available for PC and mobile through Wild Rift. As it stands today, playing League of Legends on an Xbox Series S is completely impossible. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware about the official platforms in which League of Legends was released and discuss the possibility of it being released on consoles, seeing as how the game has a lot of parts including a custom launcher, and it wouldn't really translate too well into a MOBA using a controller. It's very unlikely that it is going to be ported over to consoles. So if you really want to play League of Legends, you have to do it through a computer or through Wild Rift on any mobile device. I hope I was able to answer any questions that you had about how to play League of Legends on Xbox Series S. If this video answered your questions, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.